local weather with the KX Storm Team.
Smoke isn't completely gone, still kind of hazy on the Dickinson Skycam there. Now, over the next several days, here's what you need to know. We'll have mild temperatures tonight, and in most locations, it won't be as cool as we had this morning. Many areas this morning started off in the 40s. Now, it could be 40s, upper 40s for the Turtle Mountains, but otherwise probably 50s by the time you get up tomorrow morning. And it is going to start getting hotter again for about 3 more days before it cools off a little bit. And it looks like there's actually a decent chance of rain, maybe some storms, over the weekend. 73 degrees in Bismarck, and the humidity is 39%. In Minot, 77 degrees, and the humidity 32%. Really light breeze. Williston's 81, south-southwest wind at 9, and the humidity 34%. And in Dickinson, 77 with a south breeze at 7 miles an hour. Here are some of the other temperatures around the area. A little cooler in the southern part of the state, certainly than what it was Sunday. I mean, this is actually really, really nice weather to be outdoors. A little hotter in the northwest and northeastern Montana. 70 degrees is all could muster this hour in Rugby. Here's a look at the national radar and satellite. A few severe thunderstorm warnings going on right now. You can see them here and there, and more rain for Pennsylvania. They have just had some terrible flooding going on there, and it looks like that system's still hanging on. And then there's another system that's going to be heading that way over the next couple of days. So here's our harvest weather. Now, tomorrow morning, humidity will be between 85 and 95%. The afternoon humidity between 25 and maybe 35%, with temperatures in the south anywhere between 85 and maybe 90 degrees. Now, in the north, the morning humidity will be about 75 to maybe 85%. The afternoon humidity anywhere between 20 and maybe 30%. And it might be a little bit hotter in the north, and maybe even the northwest might be the hottest areas. I'm going to go 84 to maybe 91 degrees for the high temperatures in the north tomorrow, and even the 80s for the Turtle Mountains. Now, the official outlook for the 8 to 14 day time period, and that is August 22nd through the 28th, shows a really good chance of cooler than normal temperatures for those days right there. That doesn't mean there won't be a hot day, but overall, it looks like cooler air, especially for the northern half of the state for between the 22nd and 28th. That's the temperature. And now the precipitation looks like about a 33% chance of drier than normal conditions. So cool and dry for the 18 to 14 day outlook, and then that just was released this afternoon, so this is the latest thing out there right now. And I think that we're probably going to be looking at a chance of rain this weekend and then maybe early next week, but overall it's going to be drier. Wednesday, tomorrow morning, we'll have temperatures in the 50s to start the day, most locations, around 70 by 10 o'clock, 12 noon, 70s to 80s, and it's going to heat up tomorrow afternoon and maybe even into the 90s, especially in the north. And when I look at the weekend here, I want to give you a heads up here. I don't think it's going to be a real big issue, but this is from Saturday night. You can see how we could have some rain in the area, maybe some thunderstorms as well, Saturday night and Sunday. So here's a look at the next 7 days with that chance of rain Saturday night and Sunday, and it is going to cool off. So we've got a couple of hot days ahead of us, maybe into the weekend, and then it cools off. And Lauren and Chad, if you're hoping for rain, the odds are really pretty decent that we might get at least some rain, probably Saturday night, if not Saturday night, Sunday.
That's great.
A little good news there.
Yeah, I'm not going to lie, the long-term forecast depressed me just a little bit.
Running out of warm days here.
Yeah, next in our 5